How to grow an Instagram account quickly and effectively in the niche of fashion. Hey, what's going on, guys? If you don't know me or you're new to the channel, my name is Anthony. I run a 1 million follower network on Instagram, and I also run an Instagram marketing agency, and I make videos like this to help you take your accounts from zero to hero, how to grow, how to monetize, and everything else in between. So make sure you smash that subscribe button if you are new. So today we're gonna be talking about how to go ahead and grow your fashion account with an updated 2018 Instagram algorithm. None of that old stuff. None of that follow and follow stuff that's actually going to work and that's actually going to get you in front of your target audience. So with all that said, go ahead and drop this video a like and let's go. So first off, before we get into anything spectacular, is your profile and bio optimization. Okay, when you're first starting your account, first of all, your name, your logo, your bio, everything has to be absolutely on point. Nobody is going to follow an ugly profile. Don't believe me? Would you follow an ugly profile? Of course not. So other people won't. You have to understand that everybody else on Instagram is an actual person just like you. They are not robots, and they only follow something if they want to actually follow them. So by having a really good name, a good indicator of a good name is that I can read your name and I could predict what type of content is on your page without viewing your page. So whether that's incorporating fashion into the name or having something that has to do with fashion into the name is a really good way to indicate whether a name is good or not. On top of that, having a super good logo. Think about it, before somebody hits your profile, the logo is all that they see. Your logo should be something that's bright and vibrant and draws attention. One of the easiest ways to go ahead and make your logo even better is just by posting a story, because by posting a story, you get that orange type of ring around your logo, which makes it not only look a lot better, but it makes your page seem more active, and people will more likely click your page since it looks active than someone else's that may be right next to it, giving you the follow over your competition. Now, for your bio, the bold name is actually searchable, okay? That is actually part of like Instagram's SEO. You could actually search that up. So by putting your name is like fashion, style, streetwear, something like that, that is what I would do, because it's actually searchable within Instagram and people can find you that way. Aside from that, make sure your bio is looking real clean, okay? I know a lot of people love to use emojis in their stuff. I really don't like to use one emoji per line, okay? I don't like stuffing tons and tons of emojis into the bio. They are cool and I do recommend to use them, just don't overuse them or it's gonna give it a really bad, crappy, kind of kiddie type of look. Now, to optimize your profile further, not only for monetization, but also for follow conversions, getting more people that see your profile to actually follow you. A lot of people could get a lot more followers by optimizing their profile, okay? Getting somebody from, say you have a 3-to-10 ratio in your account, that every 10 people that see your profile, only 3 of them follow. You can get a ton more followers just by upping that from 5 out of 10 people go ahead and follow your profile, and that's simply by just by making it look nicer through the tips I just gave. But on top of that, you could also use stories to not only increase the follower conversions, but also to help monetize. So aside from posting regular stories, you should also be pinning stories to your profile, okay? Pin the stories. So for fashion, maybe your men's fashion or women's fashion or whatever it is, but you should have pinned stories that are going ahead and showcasing different products. Now, I recommend products because at the end, you could have a call to action with a swipe up link for them to go ahead and purchase products, okay? This could be to your Shopify store. This could be your affiliate to any type of store. It could even be Amazon affiliate links. Why not? When you're in the fashion niche, people are looking to buy clothing. So even if you only have an Amazon affiliate link, it's worth it to go ahead and showcase some products on those stories and then link off to it so you can start building up some income through your page. Now it comes down to picking the right content. So if you're a fashion page, content is probably a really big issue for you, but it doesn't have to be, because there's a lot of really, really good content in the fashion niche that just goes viral over and over and over and over. So if I move over here, I will throw up some images of bad content, or really bad content is not necessarily bad content, right? Bad content is more so blurry content, stuff that is just really not engaging at all. There is good content and then there is viral content. So I'll be showing you guys examples of good content, and now here would be an example of actual viral content, okay? Now the only difference is that the good content just doesn't really go viral, okay? They're very high quality images. They perform well within your audience, but they're not going to go viral, because for something to go viral, it needs an element of virality, okay? It needs bandwagon or emotion or visual spectacle, one of those 7 elements to go ahead and actually go viral, and that's where the viral content steps in. So that's the type of content that you want to post if your goal is to reach as many people as possible. If you're just trying to maintain the followers you have, which I don't think many of you are, then good content is fine, but you'll never get to those 6-figure, 7-figure impressions with just good content alone. It has to be that viral style of content. Now, as far as growth goes for fashion fashion pages, what I like to do is actually build out a network. Build out a network of accounts that you can reach out to who are basically all part of your team that are helping you grow. Now, what I mean by this is actually going to the biggest influencers within your niche. And by biggest, I don't just mean biggest as in followers alone. So when I say biggest, what I'm talking about is biggest in followers, but also the biggest engagement rates, the most amount of comments, all that type of stuff. Having a lot of followers alone does no good. There are tons of dying pages that are huge on Instagram that does no good, and they don't have any authority within the algorithm. It's better off that you have a 1 million follower page instead of a 2 million follower page, because this 1 million follower page will actually have increased engagement, more comments, all that type of stuff, a more engaged audience. It's better off getting something like that than getting a dead 2 million follower page. Now what you would do is you'd actually go ahead and contact this influencer and see how much they would charge to go ahead and like and comment on your post. This is super good. This is building out a network. You get 10 of these influencers and you're paying them every single month to go ahead and like and comment on their post. When they like and comment on your post, you're going to go ahead and be featured to Explore. It's going to push your content. Their audience is going to see your content, and you are going to go ahead and tap into all of those followers. On top of that, it wouldn't be a bad idea to go ahead and use some DM groups to supplement that stuff. Using some DM groups for some extra comments, some extra engagement to go ahead and push your content further would definitely be a very good idea in this case. On top of all that is really just going to be consistently make those consistent postings. Post every single day. Show up every single day, okay? Honestly, if you can't take 10 minutes to make one Instagram post per day, you don't really deserve to succeed, okay? If you can't even put in that amount of work, I truly hope you fail with your Instagram account. You have to be willing to put in that work. You have to be willing to show up every single day. You have to be willing to always make that post. And it's really not that big of a commitment. It's fucking 10 minutes a day. Just do it. I think you'll see the best results from posting between 3 to 5 times per day, but again, always make sure you post at least once per day. Every other day is just not going to cut it with these viral pages. So for all of you guys who are going ahead and trying to grow some fashion pages, I hope you took some massive value out of this video. If you did, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this. If any of you guys are trying to take Instagram more serious, if you guys want to learn the exact step-by-step, how do you take pages from 0 to 100K? How do you monetize Instagram? How does the advanced stuff really happen? How do you turn Instagram into a full-time business, just like me and tons of my other students have? Then I'll leave a free training linked below. On that training, I expose all of the big guru lies and show you guys the real ways of how growth is actually achieved through Instagram. So make sure if you're serious, you go ahead and check that out. With all that said, guys, once again, I hope you took some massive value out of this video. Make sure you give this video a like. Make sure you comment your thoughts below. Keep grinding, keep hustling, and I'll see you all on the next one. Now, shout out to the winner of the free consultation call. I'll throw your comment up right here. All you gotta do is go ahead and email me at support@viralvenom.com. I'll leave that email also in the description. Send me an email. Go ahead and let me know that you're the winner of the YouTube consulting call, and we'll go ahead and book you in. For those of you that don't know, I give away free 30-minute consulting calls every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you want to enter, all that you have to do is comment on my videos, okay? The more of my videos you comment on, the more the chance you have to win, because I pick a random person and then I announce it on video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So make sure you also put on post notifications so that you don't miss the video, because if you miss your name being called, then you kind of miss out.